Hey guys, this is SD here, and today with me I have the VNETPHONE V6 intercom device for helmet, which has a 1200-meter range, which it says. So I have got this from LightInTheBox.com, and it cost me around 4,500 rupees, and along with that some 300 rupees for the delivery and the delivery charges. So it cost me around 4,800 rupees for this one. And actually I have a pair of these, because there I found the couple in a box. There were you have two options to buy VNet phone. You have one with a single, and you have a dual pack. While the dual pack was costing around 5,000 something, while the single pack was 2,400 or something like that. So it cost less for me to buy two of those single packs. So, and they can be connected to each other. So if you want, you can buy it from lightinthebox.com, but there is one catch. It will take too much time to get delivered to your house. And yeah, I have read some different kinds of reviews about Light in the Box, that people didn't receive their deliveries, their products, whatever they have ordered, but I have received mine, and it didn't cost me any custom duties as well. Yeah, it did come from China, but it didn't cost me any custom duties. So let's go ahead, unpack this, unbox this, and then I'll fix this in a helmet. Okay, so I have the box here. There are two of these inside this box, and I have my ever so trusting knife with me. So let's cut this from here. Okay. There you go. These are the VNETPHONE V6 with 1200 meters of connectivity, 1200 meters of range. So this is the box for single ones. This will have single one. You can have the dual one also, where you will be seeing two bikers there. Anyway, let's go ahead and check the inside of this. And after opening, you have the manual. Okay. So well, this is the manual here, and this is the intercom device, which is fixed in here. Okay, I got this out. So this is the clamp, where this is the portion where the clamp goes in, and the clamp fixes inside of your helmet. So and the headphone jack goes in here. This is a normal 3.5 headphone jack, and this is a nice touch with the antenna here, and this has a good rubber feeling, and this is a waterproof as well. So let's see what else is there inside of the box. Okay, so we have these stuff. This will go inside of your helmet. Now let's look how these stuffs go inside of your helmet. So okay, we have these things. These are the, okay, let me just put these things here. Let's go one by one. Okay, these are Velcro straps, and this has a tape inside of it. You can remove this portion, this paper here, and then you can fix it inside of your helmet. And into that interior, once this is fixed inside of your helmet, you can fix the speakers and the one with the microphone as well into that strap that you have fixed inside of your helmet. So we'll see how this is fixed inside of a helmet. So yeah, this is the charger. This is a USB port in the charger. It goes in the same way as your headphone jack, and you can plug this charger inside of your mobile phone that you have, the mobile phone charger that you have, in which you can charge any through your USB ports, or you can charge it in the charger port if you have any fixed in your motorcycle, like the one I have. Okay, then you use this inside of your helmet. You unscrew this, and then this will come up like this, and then this goes inside the helmet, and this then fixes in here. Just drag it from the top and go down. That's it, it's fixed in there. To release, you have to open this, and then you have to pick it up, and it comes out like that. Okay, now let's fix this in a helmet and let's see how it works. Along with that, also I would like you to know that they have provided a Allen key which has this Phillips head screwdriver as well, so that you can unscrew these and you can fix this. You have an extra pair of screws for that, and the screw, I guess, should be here, that had come out during the delivery. Anyway, we'll do it since we are fixing it inside of the helmet. Let's not go inside of that. And yeah, you have an extra pair of these Velcro straps for in case if you have two helmets, so more than one helmet, then you can fix these two inside of that. So let's go ahead and fix this in a helmet and let's see how it works. Okay, so I have this my wife's helmet here, and this is not a full face helmet. Well, both of us do not use full face helmet. I know we should use full face helmet, but you know, fixing this in a full face helmet is easy, but the challenge is when you are trying to fix this in a half face helmet. So we need to go inside of here, and there is not much room inside of here to put this inside, but let's see how we can do it. We might go inside of this as well, or inside of here. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, this is fixed in here. Now we can easily put this, this is steady, this doesn't move much. Let's tighten this a little bit more. That requires force.
So yeah, let's try putting this on here. There you go. Now you can even lift the helmet with this, but I recommend you do not do that. Okay, so this is fixed in here almost. Yeah, well, good fix. So now with the speakers, we will fix one speaker here, another one here, and we will route the wires from inside of this, so that there are not much wires hanging out of the helmet inside of the helmet. Okay, I've taken the location of the ears, which is in here and in here. So I'll be putting these in a location so that the wires are placed with like this. So okay, now this will be the left side here. So to place the left side in this location, we need to provide in such a way that the wires are over here. So now to do that, I would be placing this one like this. Now let's peel this up. We have this something like super glue in here, and I'll be placing it. Okay, done. Now this can go inside like this. Okay, then we can adjust the microphone as per the requirement. Okay, I don't think it will slide out.
put it like that, and then I'll put the wires like this through here, and I'll place it here. The ear position is in this place, so I'll peel another one. There you go. And I'll place it here. Now I'll put all the wire inside of this, and if you take a look at this wire here, I'll just keep out this much of wire so that it goes out and gets connected in this. Okay, so once this is placed, I'll have my wife wear this and check the position of the mic. I think this will not be the position, it will be somewhere here, close to here. Okay, and in a way that the microphone is close to her mouth, and then I think I'll adjust the microphone based on that. Okay, so that's it, guys. You can do that to your helmet as well, but when I'm placing it, look at this. Since this is a half face helmet, this has some pressure on these speakers here, and a little bit of pressure in this as well. So note when you are placing your helmet, when you have this thing attached to your helmet. So that will be it, and this is how you can attach the VNETPHONE V6 1200 meters range helmet intercom system. See you again. Bye.